Hey everyone! So today I'm showing you how to stop message requests on Instagram for Android. If you're tired of getting DM requests from people you don't follow, this setting will help you disable them completely. Let's get started. All right, first thing, open the Instagram app on your Android phone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. This takes you to your profile page. Okay, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen. This opens your menu with various settings and options. Now scroll down a bit until you find Messages and Story Replies, or just Messages. Tap on that option. This is where you can control who can send you messages. You'll see choices like Everyone, People you follow, or No one. To completely stop receiving message requests from strangers, select No one or Your followers. If you choose no one, nobody who doesn't already follow you will be able to send you message requests. If you choose your followers, only people you're following can message you. Tap on your preferred option to save it. And that's it. You've now stopped message requests on Instagram. People you don't follow won't be able to send you DMs anymore. If this helped you out, let me know in the comments below.